kynhun ki briew na Assam ha miet sngi U Blei kila leit ben Pynjulor yo umot jong skhim MGNREGS ha shnong Maikhuli kabadan ha khappud ka Ri-Bhoi Maikhuli bat ka Assam kini ki briew na Assam kila wan rung jubor ha shnong Maikhuli ha ka por kumbah nyo baji chanmin bat kila taban ka rongyong yo umot jong skhim MGNREGS ba pinyeng marsenda bat kapung do kha jong shnong kabadan ha pedeng ka jinga ka japun ha pedeng ka Assam Maikhuli kinong shnong ka Maikhuli kila kam bagani ka chaka ba pinyeng ni umat bat kumjuru kapung do kha ka de jong ka shnong Maikhuli ka bala basai ki longyeng longsem ha Maikhuli la bun bun snem minta Henry ki briew na Assam ki thumu ban kini jubor ya ka kani ka jingwan le don bor kala pin bitar lab ya kinong Maikhuli bat kani ka jing bitar kala lam shaka jinga sho ya dat hinin ka mit da ka jing poi kloi ki pulit la la ban tem no ya upaj ba Henry haga singin kong kala mi biang ka jing sho ya dat Henry da ka jing don ki pulit na baro archala la la ban tem yu upaj ba ban mi kanu kanu ka jing jia pas ngosi Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi Abhilash Baranwal ula pentikna ya ka jing klumar ka bachia ha Maikhuli hinin ka mit sngi U Blei bat pente bola pha ya ki magistrate bat ki pulit shakani ka chaka ban tem yu upaj ba hashwa ban mi kinu ki jing jia ki bas ngosi
people to show presence from the administration side. Simultaneously, as of now, we have already taken it up with the counterpart district administration to make sure that the culprits are brought to book. Those who are trying to bring or disturb the social harmony over there, they should be brought to book, and so that there is no untoward incident in the future as well. And so the peace committee is working. They have already had 1-2 meetings so far, but always, I mean, in fact, these are the incidents which show that the peace committees are working, because those who have vested interest in maintaining and in not allowing peace to come over, they are trying to do these type of things so that the peace committee becomes unsuccessful. But then whatever local disputes over there, whatever developmental issues over there are, we are trying to coordinate with this peace committee so that all these stakeholders are taken into account.